Hi students, good morning. I hope you all are fine. Welcome to grade 11 business mathematics class. We are learning our fifth chapter, differential calculus. So in our last class I have completed only one example in our next section. So and I have taught some general, that is standard limits to learn. So I hope you all of you learned that standard limits. So only one problem we have completed there. So remaining some examples are there. So that one we will do it now. Okay. So let's move to our today's class. First one is example 5.17. We have completed example 5.16 that day. Evaluate limit x tends to 2 x square minus 4x plus 6 divided by x plus 2. X square minus 4x plus 6 divided by x plus 2. Solution. So limit x tends to 2 x square minus 4x plus 6 divided by x plus 2 equal to, we are going to take the limit for both the numerator and denominator separately. So limit x tends to 2 x square minus 4x plus 6 divided by limit x tends to 2 x plus 2. Okay, so what you are going to do, x tends to 2, in the place of x is 2 and in the place of x is 2. So limit x tends to 2. So nothing but in the place of x you need to substitute the 2, that's all. So 2 square minus 4 into 2 plus 6 divided by 2 plus 2. So how much you will obtain? That's equal to 4 minus 8 plus 6 divided by 4. So 10 minus 8, that is 2 by 4. If we cancel, you will get 1 by 2. Understand? That's all. So limit x tends to 2. You are taking the limit for both numerator and denominator separately. So in the place of x, you will substitute the 2. That's all. So 2 square minus 4 into 2 plus 6 divided by 2 plus 2. So if you substitute, you will get the answer is 1 by 2. Understand? Then next one. 5.18. Evaluate limit x tends to pi by 4 5 sine 2x minus 2 cos 2x divided by 3 cos 2x plus 2 sine 2x. So here also numerator and denominator. So we will take the limit for both numerator and denominator separately. Okay. So first we are taking for numerator, that is limit x tends to pi by 4 5 sine 2x minus 2 cos 2x divided by limit x tends to pi by 4 3 cos 2x plus 2 sine 2x. Okay, so x tends to pi by 2. So what will you do? In the place of x we will substitute pi by 2. Very easy. Okay, so that's equal to 5 sine 2 into pi by 4 minus 2 cos 2 into pi by 4 divided by 3 cos 2 into pi by 4 plus 2 sine 2 into pi by 4. Okay, so sorry, pi by 4 or pi by 2? Pi by 4, is it right? So that's equal to, here itself you can cancel, it is 2, you can cancel, it says 2, it says 2, cancel, this is 2. Okay, what's the balance? 5 sine pi by 2, then minus 2 cos pi by 2 divided by 3 cos pi by 2 plus 2 sine pi by 2. Okay, so now you know all the value for sine pi by 2 means it's same as 90 degree. I got dot already. Is it right? So pi by 2 means 90 degree. 180 by 2 it's 90 degree. So that's equal to 5 into sine 90 degree. The value is 1 minus 2 cos 90 degree. The value is 0 divided by 2 cos 90 degree. The value is 0 plus or minus plus 2 into sine 90 degree again 1. So 5 minus 0 is 5 divided by 2 into 0 is 2, 5 by 2. So the answer is 5 by 2. Understand? Okay, so very easy. Got it? Okay, the next one. Evaluate limit x tends to 1 x cube minus 1 divided by x minus 1 x cube minus 1 divided by x minus 1. Okay, okay, now listen here ma. It is of which type you need to check it first. So if we are substituting for, you need to check it first. Okay, so if it is a numerator and denominator is there, x tends to 1. If I am substituting for 1, what will happen? 1 minus 1 0, 1 minus 1 0. Is it right? So it's of type 0 by 0. Understand students? So first you need to check if it's a numerator and denominator is there means we need to check it's of which type, whether it's of 0 by 0 or in which type. So here it is of 0 by 0 type. Understand? So it's of 0 by 0 type means we need to proceed in another method. Okay, so limit x tends to 1 x cube minus 1 divided by x minus 1 is of type 0 by 0. Okay, it's of type 0 by 0. Okay, so x minus 1 is equal to limit x tends to 1. So if it's of type 1 means what you need to do means we are going to use the formula for a cube minus b cube. Have we learned the formula for a cube minus b cube in 10th grade? 9th grade? Yes. So we know the formula for a cube minus b cube. The formula is a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Those who don't know, please learn the formula for a cube minus b cube. What's the formula for a cube minus b cube? A minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. A minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Understand? So a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Okay, so now substitute in the formula here. Numerator, it's in the form of a cube minus b cube. So if we substitute, what will happen? X minus 1 into x square plus 1 into x is x plus 1 divided by x minus 1. Okay, so this 2 will get cancelled. Now you can substitute for x tends to 1. Now substitute for x tends to 1. 1 square plus 1 plus 1 equal to how much you will get? 3. Understand students? So limit x tends to 1. This is of type 0 by 0. So limit x tends to 1 x cube minus 1 divided by x minus 1 is equal to limit x tends to 1 x cube minus 1. So a cube minus b cube is equal to what's the formula? A minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Okay, so a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square divided by x minus 1. Understand? So both the terms will get cancelled. So we'll get the balances 1 square plus 1 plus 1 x tends to 1. So if we substitute, we will get the answer as 3. Understand students? The only difference is we need to check whether it is of type. So the type is of 0 by 0. We need to proceed by like this. Understand? You can't directly substitute this one. So at once what will happen? You will get a 0. Is it right? So we'll try like this. Example 5.20. Evaluate limit x tends to 0 square root of 2 plus x minus root 2 divided by x. Solution. Limit x tends to 0 square root of 2 plus x minus root 2 divided by x is equal to limit x tends to 0. So here what we are going to do here, x into we are going to multiply both the numerator and denominator by the conjugate. Okay, so what will happen here, square root of 2 plus x minus root 2 into conjugate square root of 2 plus x plus 2. Okay, multiply both the numerator and denominator by the conjugate. So 2 plus x plus root 2, already 1x is there. Okay, so we are going to multiply both numerator and denominator by the conjugate. So what will happen, ma? Here it is in a minus b into a plus b. So a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. Okay, so what's the formula? A plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. Understand? So a square minus b square. So now substitute for the formula a square minus b square. So what will happen? That's equal to limit x tends to 0. A plus b into a minus b means a square minus b square. So a square means root 2 plus x the whole square. So what will happen? 2 plus x you will get. Is it right? If you are squaring, root 2 the whole square means minus 2 you will obtain. So divided by x into square root of 2 plus x plus root 2. Get cancelled. So now you can substitute for x tends to 0. Is it right? So if we are substituting for x tends to 0, so again here x and x you can cancel. So what's in the numerator? Limit x tends to 0, 1 divided by square root of 2 plus x plus root 2. Now substitute for x tends to 0. So that's equal to 1 by root of 2 plus root of 2. Okay, so what will happen? 2 times, is it right? So 1 by 2 root 2 is the answer. Understand, students? So what we did? So here we are multiplying both the numerator and denominator by the conjugate. So what will happen? A plus b into a minus b, that is a square minus b square you will obtain. So 2 plus x minus 2 you will get. So 2 and 2 will get cancelled. So again x and x will get cancelled. So 1 divided by square root of 2 plus x plus root 2. Okay, so square root of 2 plus x means in the place of x you will substitute a 0 means what will happen? 1 by root 2 plus root 2. So 1 by root 2 plus root 2 means 2 times, is it right? So 2 root 2. Understand, students? Have you got it? Okay, let's move to next question. Limit x tends to a, x power 3 by 5 minus a power 3 by 5 divided by x power 3 by 5, x power 1 by 5 minus a power 1 by 5. Okay, solution. Limit x tends to a, x power 3 by 5 minus a power 3 by 5 divided by x power 1 by 5 minus a power 1 by 5 equal to limit x tends to a, x power 3 by 5 minus a power 3 by 5. We are what we are going to do is we are going to both numerator and denominator we are going to divide x minus a. Okay, so we are going to divide both numerator and denominator by x minus a. So what will happen here? Denominator also. So limit x tends to a, it's common we can take. So divided by x power 1 by 5 minus a power 1 by 5 divided by x minus a. Okay, so x tends to a you need to substitute. So because of that denominator I divided by x minus a. Okay, so now it is in the form of x power so why we will have it out? Why ma'am you are multiplying for this problem alone both numerator and denominator by dividing x minus a? You will have it out. Why means we have changed this in this form. So standard limits I asked you to learn. I hope all of you learn. So now you have changed this in this method. Understand? So limit extends to a x power n minus a power n. It is in the form of x power n minus a power n. Means we will change by we can use this formula. So because of that, I have divide both numerator and denominator by x minus a. If I divide both numerator and denominator by x minus a, what will happen? It is this form, correct? Whether it is in this form, yes or no? Yes. So it is in this form. So it's in this form, yes. So because of that, I have changed like this. Understand? Now you can use this formula, n a power n minus 1. So what is n here? 3 by 5. A power n minus 1. So 3 by 5 minus 1 divided by denominator also we can use that, 1 by 5 into a power 1 by 5 minus 1. So what will happen? 3 by 5 into a power 3 minus 5 by 5 divided by 1 by 5 into a power 1 minus 5 by 5. So what will you get? 3 by 5 into a power minus 2 by 5 divided by 1 by 5 into a power minus 4 by 5. Okay. So if you are bringing this 2 up, what will happen? 3 by 5, both 5 and 5 will get cancelled, a power minus 2 by 5, this one 2 up means plus 4 by 5 will obtain, is it right? So what will you get? That's equal to 3a power 2 by 5, it's the required answer. Shall I repeat it again? So it is in the form of x power n minus a power n, but divided by x minus a term we need. So for that I am dividing both the numerator and denominator by x minus a. So if we divided both numerator and denominator by x minus a, so here I divide x minus a, here also I divide x minus a, means what will happen? 3 by 5 into a power 3 by 5 minus 1 divided by x power means x power 1 by 5 minus a power 1 by 5 divided by x minus a. Okay. So what will happen? X power 3 by 5, it's in this, we can use this formula, n a power n minus 1. If we use that, what will happen? 3 by 5 into a power 3 by 5 minus 1 divided by 1 by 5 into a power 1 by 5 minus 1. So take the LCM, afterwards a both also. So here denominator it's in the power of negative. So if we bring to the numerator, it will change as positive. Okay. So bring to the numerator, it will be positive. So 3a power 2 by 5. Understand, students? Have you got it? Okay. Next question. Simple problems, majority they will ask for 2 marks. Okay. 5.22. Evaluate limit x tends to 0 sin 3x divided by sin 5x. Okay, sin 3x divided by sin 5x. Solution. Limit x tends to 0 sin 3x divided by sin 5x is equal to limit x tends to 0. So now it is in any form, standard limits, you can check it. So it is in the form of is it in any form? No. Is it right? So one thing we can do it here. So multiply both the numerator and denominator by sin 3x. Okay. So what you are going to do? Multiplying in the numerator by 3x. Okay. Multiplied and divided. Same as in denominator by 5x into sin 5x divided by 5x. Okay, so what I did in the numerator, here it is 3. So because of that, both numerator I have multiplied and divided by 3x. For the denominator, I have multiplied and divided by 5x. Okay, so that's equal to 3 by 5 limit x tends to 0 sin 3x divided by 3x. Okay, so what I did, I have brought this 3 by 5 here. Okay, so this x and x I have cancelled and I have brought this 3 by 5 here. That's a balance. Next one, divided by limit x tends to 0 sin 5x divided by 5x. Okay, now listen there, see there, what's the value? using the second one, second standard limits formula, what they given, limit theta tends to 0, sin theta divided by theta equal to limit theta tends to 0, tan theta divided by theta, the value is equal to 1. It is given in the standard limits 2. So because of that I have changed like that. Now see, sin theta divided by theta, in the place of theta it is 3x, is it right? So same as that, theta 3x. Okay, so sin theta divided by theta means what's the value? 1. So numerator, what's the value? 3 by 5 into 1. Denominator, what's the value? Here it is theta, it's also theta, it is 1. So what's the answer? 3 by 5. So listen here students, again I am repeating the same. So that formulas are very important. Without learning the formula, that is standard limits, that 7 also you must by heart, then only it will be very easy for you. So one more example we will do today. Evaluate limit x tends to infinity 6 minus 5x square 4x plus 15x square. Okay, so solution, how we will do? Limit x tends to infinity 6 minus 5x square divided by 4x plus 15 x square is equal to limit x tends to infinity. So here what we are going to do is, we are going to take this one here. So dividing by x square. So this one will be 5. Okay. So same as in denominator, here we are going to divide by x square. So what will happen? 4x by x square means 4x by x square. So what will you get? 4 by x plus 15. Now it is, we can apply the limit here. X tends to infinity. So if you are applying infinity here, what will happen? 0 minus 5. If you are applying here infinity, 4 by infinity 0. Is it right? So 0 plus 15. So what's the value? Minus 5 by 15. That's equal to minus 1 by 3. Got it? Very easy. So we have completed up to example 5.23. So I am giving some homeworks for you. So very easy. You can do the homeworks. Exercise 5.2 homework. Please take down the homework, students. First Roman, first problem, second problem, third one I will do for you, fourth one, fifth one, sixth one. All the homeworks except third problem you need to do all this. Okay, whether you can do, so it will be very easy for you. First problem, second problem, fourth problem, fifth problem, sixth problem, third problem I will do for you. That's a small changes there. So that one I will do. So remaining homework. Okay students, please do the homeworks, maintain your classwork, do it regularly, don't avoid anything. So third, except first Roman, third problem, remaining I will do for you. Okay students, we will meet in the next class. Please do your homeworks and check your answers. If you have any doubt, clarify with me. You can ask in interaction section. Okay students, be safe. Thank you. We will meet in the next class.